Hey, I'm Caleb with Wolff Industries. We're continuing our series on the twice sharp scissor sharpener. Today we are going to go over several safety tips to keep in mind when operating the equipment. First off, make sure the wheel covers are on and the screws are in place here on the top, the back, and the bottom. You don't want these wheel covers to come off while in the middle of sharpening and something to get caught in the wheels. Make sure your eye shields and finger guards are in place. There should be just enough clearance under the eye shields for the clamp and arm to move freely. The finger guard should be 1/16 of an inch from the wheel so nothing can get sucked into the wheel well. Remember, do not operate the machine without these parts in place. If you're missing any of these pieces, please give us a call and we can get you replacements. Always wear safety glasses. We are dealing with grit and metal and don't need any of that in our eyes. We even include a pair when you buy the machine. And regular prescription glasses don't offer adequate protection. And definitely wear a protective dust mask. You don't want any of that grit, dust, and metal getting breathed into your lungs. We also include one of these as well. Another option is to have adequate ventilation and a dust collection system. The twice as sharp has dust ports on the back to take advantage of those. After you have sharpened a pair of scissors, don't test the sharpness by running your thumb down the blade. You just sharpened it. It's sharp and will cut you. Please keep your fingers away from the cutting edge. A few other tips to remember are to tie back long hair, don't wear neckties, scarves, or loose jewelry, and keep your work area clean. Lastly, always use original Wolff Industries replacement parts. Other manufacturers' parts may break when used on our equipment, may cause injury, and could void the warranty on your machine. So these are just a few safety tips to keep in mind while operating your equipment. Remember to work smart and be safe. And if you need a dust collection system, we make a portable dust collector cabinet specifically for the twice as sharp. We have new videos posting all the time, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and click that little bell icon to make sure you don't miss out when those get posted. And lastly, check out our website for more information. And if you have any questions, give us a call, shoot us an email, or comment below, and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.